What's going on YouTube? MMA here, and today I'm going to be explaining PC parts in basketball terms. Let's get right into it. Before we get started, I can see that a large percentage of you haven't subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button and help me hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2021. The two most important parts of a computer are the CPU and GPU, so we'll start with those, but I'll have timestamps in the description, and the video should be split up into parts on YouTube. Central processing unit is basically involved in every task you do on your computer. Kind of like LeBron can score, play make, rebound, assist, defend, and is involved in every play on the court. You know, from the simplest pick and rolls to the
handoff, jab, one dribble, spin move, step back, give me two.
Your CPU is involved in every task you do on your computer, from the simplest moving a browser over, opening a browser, watching a video, or streaming anything online. Graphics processing unit is for graphics. Every computer needs some kind of graphics processor, but for budget or less gaming-oriented computers, they will use integrated graphics, which means the graphics card is part of the CPU. This will not be as powerful as a dedicated graphics card though. When you're doing graphically intensive stuff, you're trying to win the game, you're trying to do fancy, productive 2020 Vince Carter dunk contest, but also Stephen Curry's unanimous MVP type stuff. So when people say graphics, what do they really mean? Well, it's essentially anything that your computer needs to run itself. When you watch a video or movie, the graphics processing unit isn't involved because the video is already made. But when you're editing videos or playing a game, your computer doesn't know what you will do next, so it needs the graphics processing unit to render and display the image as you go. Expect the unexpected, like the 3-1 lead in the 2016 finals. Power supply is what provides electricity for the computer to run. It's what happens in the off season. Players hit the gym and get that power they need to run on the court. Storage is where you store everything, from the operating system like Windows or Mac OS to all those SpongeBob memes you have saved on your desktop. It's the bag everybody talks about when a player has a large arsenal of moves. The bigger the bag, the more moves they have stored. Two common and important kinds of storage are HDD or hard disk drive and SSD or solid state drive. Hard drives will commonly hold more storage at a cheaper cost, but SSDs will be significantly faster. It's why that 2006 computer you forgot about takes forever to turn on. It has a hard drive. Random access memory, or RAM, is the same as storage, but it's super fast, kind of like Westbrook, John Morant, De'Aaron Fox type stuff. It'll be a smaller capacity, but it needs to be ready on the spot for any background applications to come in and have enough space for the required task in a short period of time, on some spark plug, sweet Lou type build. Motherboard holds everything together. It's the Gary Payton, Draymond Green of the computer. It's how you electrically connect all the components of the computer together. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in a later video. Peace.